Welcome to Techchecker. Today I'm going to be showing you this 720p HD-TVI CCTV camera system. It's an 8 camera channel system and it comes with 4 720p weatherproof CCTV cameras for indoor and outdoor use. So let's have a look. It comes in this big box. So I like to change my desk over to the other side to get it all on here. So inside there's 2 boxes. Take those out. There's 1, 2. And these must be the cameras. Take those out, and a big warning sticker as well. Take those out, put this to one side. Okay. Get this bit out. Okay, so let's separate these. Nice warning sticker there. This must be the box with the unit in itself. Let's have a look at that. Okay, so this has a box inside the box as well. Some instruction and the unit itself. Nothing else in the box. That's one side for a moment. So this is the main CCTV box. Front, it's got the brand. It's got 3 LEDs, a menu escape, and a jog wheel there, up and down, etc. On the back, 8 video channels, audio channel, HDMI, VGA, audio in, network, USBs. RS485, which will be probably for an alarm or to control a camera, and 12 volt input. In this box we have a remote control, a power lead, network lead, and a mouse. So that's quite handy. Put it in there for a second. So that's the first box. Quick guide instructions. Also comes with some screws to mount your hard drive, which I'll be showing you later. Quick start guide, how to get going. Okay. Let's put these to one side, and this part here must be the cameras. Let's have a look at one of the cameras quickly. Come with mountings as well. Nice looking cameras, well built. They're made out of metal, they're not plastic. Movable on a ball joint, so you can basically position them anywhere you want. And then you've got a connector and a power connector on the ends there. Let's put that back in a second. It's got a 3.6mm lens, so that means it's nice wide angle, and 720p, and it's a power system, so that's great for the UK. That's that one. I'm assuming in here will be power for all of the cameras. Right, so let's start off with this first. I'm going to get a monitor so I can connect it up so you can see what's going on here. Actually what I'll probably do is I'm going to connect this directly up to my camera recording software after I've installed the hard drive, so you can see it all working. There's the hard drive. So there's the hard drive. I do recommend using a purple one, but that's all I've got spare at the moment. Let's get a screwdriver. Okay, so screw on the side, undo that one. Go back. Forward. Just be careful because these edges can be sharp. They're not bad on there actually. They've done a good job. So in here we have some screws to mount the hard drive, which will be going in here. Then put the power on. And the reader. So I have it up the right way, so it's in. So I'll turn this over now. So there's 4 screws to line up. Again, I'd recommend getting a purple hard drive rather than a green, because they're going to be better for CCTV, but this will work. So just notice it's got another SATA drive output here as well, so I'm not too sure if you can add something else to it. Right, let's cut this back up. Slide it right round. Yeah, so that's all done. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect this up to my capture device so you can see exactly what I see. Just so you know how the cameras fit, basically they've got a long lead here. Each camera has got its own lead. You connect one end into the video out, and then this end goes into the camera end, like so. Goes in, and you've got a power supply that clips into the camera you want. This goes into this supply here, and then the power supply which is supplied with the cameras. So you've got one's power supply split and it will power all 4 cameras, so you only need 2 plugs for the CCTV system, and then obviously 1 plug for the monitor. So the next thing I'm going to do is pass this over onto my capture card so you can see exactly what I see as I'm setting this up, and hopefully this is going to be helpful to you. Okay, so I've brought the box back to the other table now. So I've got the instructions here telling you about connecting the power up, the cameras up, etc. It's going to connect the cameras up first, so let's just get these phones out of the box. Can need a hard drive booting up. Get the mouse. Stick the mouse into one of the USB ports. And then the next thing I'm going to do is get a VGA lead, plug that in to my monitor, and plug that into HDMI out on the back of here. Okay. That's all plugged in. Let's come up with a message saying auto format disk. Click OK. Cameras are showing up. Let me get this so we can capture it. Okay, so I've got my camera, my phone rather. So I'm going to try and scan this code. So it's scanned it. Open it. It's the software for the recorder. Going to install that. Going to need to plug in a network lead, so just grab one. So it's going to be long enough. Plug that into the back of here. Like so. So it's now connected to the network. And then go open. And I'll go next page on here. Oh, yeah, open. Next page. So it's given me a wired network to already assigned me one. Okay. So now it's asking for username and password. Switches on there like this. You can do a local login. So if I do a local login, add device. Oh, there we go. All I have to do is hit start preview. Donut. Right, so there we go. That's got it working. So this is now working on my mobile phone. And obviously you're going to want to add extra channels. Let's see how good these cameras are. Picture looks pretty good. You also get 4 of these. Let's see if I can work this out now. So we go to reboot it.